Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Discover innovative agricultural machinery like the MetaQ 75 and Mini Trencher, boosting farm efficiency. Subscribe for the latest in agricultural tech. The Gomaco GP4 slipform paver is a versatile machine used for paving concrete surfaces like roads and runways. It offers precise control over the paving process, ensuring smooth and durable finishes. The machine continuously pours and shapes concrete, enhancing efficiency and paving quality for large-scale construction projects. The next trencher is an agricultural trenching machine designed for digging trenches in soil for irrigation, drainage, and utility lines. It features a powerful digging mechanism that allows precise, efficient trenching with minimal soil disturbance. The machine is commonly used in farming and landscaping to improve water flow and soil management. The Typhoon SSBN is an advanced agricultural machine designed for soil preparation and land leveling. It efficiently handles tasks like trenching and excavation, ensuring smooth surfaces for planting and irrigation. The machine's powerful design allows it to operate in various soil conditions, improving productivity and land management for farming operations. The Horschlieb 6.300 to 7.300 points is a powerful self-propelled sprayer used in agriculture for precision crop protection. It features high-capacity tanks and advanced spraying technology, ensuring uniform application of pesticides and fertilizers. The machine's sophisticated control systems allow for efficient operation in large fields, improving productivity and minimizing chemical waste for sustainable farming practices. The Mengel SF300 is a versatile forage harvester used in agriculture for chopping silage and other crop materials. It efficiently processes grass, corn, and other crops into fine pieces for animal feed. The machine features high-performance cutting mechanisms and a powerful engine, ensuring optimal efficiency in large-scale farming operations and improving feed quality. The HAM H25 IVC is a compact, high-performance roller used in soil and asphalt compaction. Equipped with advanced vibration technology, it ensures efficient compaction of various surfaces. Its precise control and smooth operation make it ideal for construction, road building, and agricultural projects, improving soil stability and surface quality. Specialized ballers are agricultural machines used for creating uniform soil balls or clods during the tilling process. These machines break up compacted soil, ensuring better aeration and root penetration. They are commonly used in fields to prepare the soil for planting, improving seedbed quality and promoting healthier crop growth. The HX1 is a high-performance forage harvester used in agriculture for efficiently collecting and chopping crops like grass, maize, and legumes. It cuts and processes the material into smaller pieces, ideal for silage production. The machine ensures fast and precise harvesting, improving feed quality and overall farm productivity. The Tesmec 1150 EVO is an advanced trenching machine used in agriculture for digging precise trenches for irrigation, drainage, and utility lines. It features a powerful digging system that ensures efficient performance in various soil types. The machine's design allows for accurate, clean trenching, improving farm infrastructure and water management. The Claw is an innovative agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation and land preparation. It uses specialized claws or tines to break up compacted soil, improve aeration, and prepare the soil for planting. The machine helps enhance seedbed quality, promoting better root development and crop growth in various soil conditions. The Ortomec 9000 Foglia version is a specialized agricultural machine used for mechanical weeding. It features adjustable hoeing tools designed to control weed growth between crops. The machine works by precision-guided cultivation, reducing the need for chemicals and enhancing soil health, making it ideal for sustainable farming practices. The Garmach is an agricultural machine designed for efficient land preparation and cultivation. It is primarily used for plowing, tilling, and seedbed preparation. With its robust construction, the Garmach ensures smooth operation in various soil types, improving soil structure, enhancing root growth, and promoting healthier crop development. The Argiles Fruits AF4 is an agricultural machine designed for harvesting fruits efficiently. It uses advanced technology to gently pick fruits from trees without damaging them. The machine's precise system ensures minimal waste, improving the speed and quality of fruit harvesting, making it ideal for large-scale orchards and farms. The CAT 6015 Super Ripper is a heavy-duty agricultural machine designed for deep soil ripping and land clearing. It uses a powerful ripper attachment to break up hard, compacted soil, improving soil aeration and preparing the land for planting. This machine is ideal for large-scale farming and land reclamation projects. The Valentini NA Navajo 1800 is an advanced agricultural machine used for soil tilling and seedbed preparation. It features a robust, adjustable design that allows for precise soil cultivation, breaking up compacted earth and improving aeration. The machine enhances soil structure, promoting better seed germination and healthier crop growth. The MRS-20 rock saw is an agricultural machine used for clearing rocky terrain. It features a powerful saw blade that cuts through rocks, making land preparation easier for farming. This machine helps in creating smoother surfaces for planting, improving soil quality and farm productivity. The Kobelco SK is a series of high-performance excavators used in agriculture for tasks like land clearing, soil preparation, and digging. With its powerful hydraulics and durable construction, it efficiently handles tough soil conditions. The machine's versatility makes it ideal for improving farm infrastructure and supporting large-scale agricultural operations. The trencher is an agricultural machine used for digging narrow trenches in the soil. It's ideal for installing irrigation systems, drainage, and utility lines, ensuring precise and efficient soil excavation for farming needs. The cement industry in agriculture involves the production of materials used for constructing farm infrastructure, like silos and storage buildings. It provides durable solutions for agricultural construction, ensuring strong, long-lasting structures for farms. The Iron Baltic is an agricultural machine designed for soil cultivation, land leveling, and farm infrastructure maintenance. It features durable construction and versatile attachments, making it suitable for various farming tasks. The machine improves soil structure, enhances seedbed preparation, and supports efficient land management for better crop yields. The FD70 Hydromill is an advanced agricultural machine designed for soil preparation and land reclamation. It uses a high-pressure water jet system to break up compacted soil and remove obstacles like rocks. The machine is ideal for creating smooth, workable soil surfaces, improving irrigation and crop production efficiency in challenging terrains. The Voamet snowplow is an agricultural machine used for clearing snow from farm roads and fields during winter. It features a powerful plow blade that efficiently removes snow, ensuring safe access to farmlands. This machine is essential for maintaining farm operations in snowy conditions, improving accessibility and reducing downtime. The Holzel XXL mixer is an agricultural machine used for efficiently mixing large quantities of feed. It is designed to blend silage, grains, and other feed ingredients evenly, ensuring a consistent mixture for livestock. The mixer enhances feeding efficiency, improving animal nutrition and overall farm productivity in large-scale operation. The Hitachi ZX690-6 is a heavy-duty excavator commonly used in agriculture for tasks like land clearing and soil excavation. With its powerful engine and advanced hydraulics, it efficiently digs and moves large amounts of earth. This machine is ideal for improving farmland infrastructure and preparing fields for cultivation. The MetaQ 75 is an agricultural machine used for efficient soil preparation, ensuring optimal conditions for planting and improving crop yields. The CAT 797F is a heavy-duty haul truck used in large-scale agricultural and construction operations. With its high load capacity and powerful engine, it efficiently transports materials like soil, crops, and equipment across rough terrains. The BF 120.4 megabytes crusher is a powerful attachment used in agriculture for crushing rocks, debris, and soil. It's designed to be mounted on excavators, turning them into efficient tools for site preparation, improving soil conditions, and enabling easier land management in large agricultural projects. Sarans is an agricultural crane used for lifting heavy loads and transporting large equipment across farms. It is ideal for moving machinery, structures, and other heavy materials. With its powerful lifting capacity and precision, it enhances farm operations, especially in large-scale agricultural projects and infrastructure development.